You know why most of the men are struggling with women? They are not able to express themselves. They are not able to, talk to a woman or a girl. Okay, today's man, even including me, we are a type of man who are struggling with a lot of women. We are struggling with women. We are struggling with girls. Why? That is why the hell we are struggling with women. Before this kind of thing, a man used to conquer our world. Man used to go in war. Man used to seduce, whatever you can say, that man used to rule the woman, and man used to talk with women very goodly. They were real leader. Girl, woman love man before. Okay, what I'm talking, I don't even know, man. See, why we are struggling with women a lot, especially this generation, including me. Why we are struggling a lot? We are struggling a lot because we are struggling with women's, because we don't consider women's are a human. Okay, I know this seems like a very small thing. You are expecting such a big thing, like whatever the other YouTubers say that, but we are not seeing girls like girls or women like both are same thing. We are not seeing women as a human. Okay, let me give you an example. Let's just suppose if a person, if a man, and there are two person in the room, and both need help. Okay, one is a man who is trying to, he's just trying to carry a washing machine from one place to another. He wants to just move the washing machine from one place to another. You will help him. You will definitely help him without any expectations, without any connection, without any social connections. Okay, you will be like, okay, I just help this guy because he's a human, and we humans are made for connections. Okay, with other humans, we are made to make connection with other human beings. Okay, so you will be like, okay, भाई मैंने इसकी मदद कर दिया, just helped him. Okay, 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 that's good, very good, I like it, man. I feel that dopamine hit. Okay, I like it. But at the other end, you are not able to help a woman who don't even want a very big help from you. She just want she is just confused with something that you know, and you are not able to help her because you are struggling with women. Or let's just suppose she wants to just carry, she just want to know how to upload photos on Instagram. You know that she's troubling with that problem, and you don't know the solution how to upload photos on Instagram. Just as an example, I know each and every woman who know how to upload on Instagram photos, how to upload photos on Instagram. Okay, but let's just take an example, and but you are not able to help. You are not able to go and talk to that woman. What's the problem? What's this, what's that? The main reason that you are not able to help that woman, because you are not considering her as as a human being. Okay, you are considering it her as a, like, वो भाई वो तो मुझे पसंद नहीं करेगी, भाई 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 वो like, she will, if I go and help her, this is my belief for okay, if I go her if I go and help her, she will think like, आ गया मेरे को अप्रोच करने के लिए, आ गया मेरे से पटाने के लिए, आ गया मेरे को पटाने के लिए। सब लड़के ऐसे होते, मतलब मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा ही हमेशा चलता रहता है कि अगर मैं किसी वुमेन को देखूंगा या किसी वुमेन की मदद करूंगा या किसी वुमेन को पूछूंगा, तो उसको ऐसा लगेगा कि ये ना मेरे से कुछ ना कुछ चाहता है। ही जस्ट वांट टू, मेरे से कनेक्शन बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है, मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड बनने की कोशिश कर रहा है, ऐसा कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहा है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है पर्सनली, माई बिलीव। So this is the problem, that why most of the men struggle with women, because we believe, we have some kind of belief system in ourselves that, okay, if I help a woman, she will think like that, and she will just like, आ गया मेरी मदद करने, वो लड़की दिखे नहीं, आ गए हाथ पकड़ने के लिए, आ गए मदद करने के लिए। सब मर्द ऐसे ही होते। We are just keeping that we have that kind of belief system in our mind, but actually this kind of things are not happening. She really genuinely needs your help, but as you are just your belief system is just रोक रहा है आपको। He just stopping the belief system that you feeding your mind is stopping you to help a woman, to help a woman। Okay, and it can seen in each and every aspect of your life. If whether it is gym, whether it is your office, whether it is your school, college, whether it is your home, you are really struggling to you are really struggling with women. Why? Because you have some kind of belief system that are like against women, like women are like this, they will just use they will just use my good qualities, they will just use my kindness, they will just use my givingness. Okay, giving nature होता है किसी किसी का, they will just use my giving nature. And women are very very that kind of a girl that just ignore women. मैं तुमको बताऊँ कि if I just take my example, I'm 20-year-old, I don't have a girlfriend till now. मेरे पास कोई girlfriend है, I don't have any girlfriend. Or it's not like that I have a past, I have a girlfriend in my past, or a very best female friend, or genuinely a simple female friend I have in my past. But I don't have any female friend in my past. In my school time, I used to be a clown guy who just tease girls a lot, and they would complain teachers a lot because I was a really creep guy and I was just a joker in the class. And they used to hate me. Okay, they don't love me, or they don't talk like a human shit, because I was not talking like, or I was not behaving like a human. I was behaving like a clown, I was behaving like a joker in the class. Okay, so that was my problem. And I never, I'm not that good with girls till now. Okay, मैं कभी भी लड़कियों के साथ कभी अच्छे से रहा ही नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि बच स्कूल में आई वॉज जोकर, इन कॉलेज लड़कियाँ ही नहीं थी मेरे क्लास में। ठीक है, कोई लड़की ही नहीं थी, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 7-8 ही लड़की थी मेरी कॉलेज के टाइम पे। ओके, कॉलेज के टाइम पे 7-8 लड़की थी, और कॉलेज वाले के स्टूडेंट के साथ मेरी बनती नहीं थी, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे मेरी सोशल स्किल्स काफ़ी कम थी। ठीक है, आई वॉज रियली फैट अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट। मेरी उस टाइम पे सोशल स्किल्स ना के बराबर थी, बहुत कम थी सोशल स्किल्स। एंड लड़कियों की तो बात छोड़ो, मेरे लड़कियों से भी दोस्ती में गांठ फट जाती थी, मेरे लड़कों से भी दोस्ती नहीं मैं कर पाता था। आई वॉज दिस मच behind in social skills. I was really struggling in social skills, not with only women but with men also, with with boys of my age. I was really struggling. Okay, so and I have that kind of belief system. But what was the example that I never been around women, or I had never any best friend, female best friend, or a simple female friend, never in my life. Never I don't talk too much with women. मेरा उठना बैठना मिलना जुलना कभी लड़कियों के साथ हुआ ही नहीं है, ना के बराबर बोल सकते हो तुम। स्कूल के टाइम पे बस लास्ट हुआ था, वो भी 8 क्लास तक। उसके बाद से लेकर आज तक लड़कियों के साथ इतना कोई बातचीत, उठना बैठना, फीमेल फ्रेंड, कुछ नहीं, कोई इतना कोई खास कनेक्शन कुछ नहीं बना। ठीक है, and I have, because of some society or what type of consume, and I was a guy who wants female attention, who wants a girlfriend. And I was searching on YouTube each and every time what woman likes a lot, what ye, and they always used to tell me that ignore women, or don't love women, or don't text them later, call them later, don't reply on time. Okay, what, etc etc. And be a sigma male, be a guy who is really into his purpose. He is not acting like a human, he is acting like a, he is just playing an ignorance game with her. Okay, so that because of that content I was consuming in my earlier 20s, like 16, 17, 18, 19, and not 19 but till 18, at the age of 18 or 9, till the age of 18.5 or 19 years, I used to consume that kind of content. So there was a belief system, because I was consuming this kind of content, it get build up, some kind of belief system build up in my mind, that always ignore a woman, don't help a woman, she is like a very careful, वो मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा selfish है, she is really selfish, don't text her, don't call her, oh, she will come to you, she will like you a lot. This type of belief system I have made up in my mind. And because of this system I am really struggling with women right now. And let me just give you let me share you share an example with you guys, that in my gym there is a girl, not a girl really, a 26 or 27-year-old girl. Okay, by the way, I'm 20 years old, I'm not trying to just chase her, or I'm trying to get into relationship, because soon I very earlier I मेरे को पता चल गया था कि she is very, मेरे से एज में बहुत बड़ी है, सो मैंने कभी ट्राई भी नहीं किया, होगा भी नहीं. एंड so in the gym I'm that kind of guy who helps each and everybody, not like literally not helping to put their weights on the rack. I'm not that kind of nice guy that helping each and everybody out there, or keeping their weights. Okay, I'm not that kind of guy. I'm that kind of a guy, if a person is struggling with something, or if he don't know something, or he is performing any set or any exercise not correctly, or can cause any injuries, though I would go and help him genuinely. I go to him and I help him, and they usually listen to my work, we listen to my words, they listen my talks, and they implement immediately, and they respect me a lot. And I'm that kind of a guy who is kind and giving nature. I don't have any expectations mindset, or I'm a giving nature. I don't care if you want to give me something, I don't give me, I don't care. I'm just a kind guy. I'm just that kind of a guy who is kind, and who is giving nature. I like to give knowledge to each and everybody out there, and people, even gym people likes me because I help them a lot in their sets, in their exercise, in their, I'm that kind of a guy who loves. But at the same time, with women I'm struggling. There is a girl who knows me, who talks to me, and I also talks to him, but like hi hello वाली बात होती है, हाँ कैसे हो बस हाथ में ऐसा मिला लिया, हो गया, बात खत्म. एंड मैंने चीज़ समझी कि मैंने उसको एक ह्यूमन की तरह नहीं देखा, क्योंकि इतना कुछ मैंने फालतू का कंज्यूम करा, मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा बिलीफ सिस्टम बैठ गया ना, कि उसको अभी मैं ह्यूमन की तरह देखते हैं. मैं उसको ऐसा देखता हूँ कि भाई ये तो ना मतलब ही है, भले उसके साथ ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड नहीं किया, उसको उसका पर्सनैलिटी भी नहीं पता, हाई हेलो तक की बात सीमित हुई अपने. एंड मैं अभी से ऐसा दिमाग में बिलीफ सिस्टम बैठ गया ना, शी इज़ लाइक दैट काइंड ऑफ गाय, शी इज़ दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन हु इज़ हु विल यूज़ मी, who will use for her work. And that I was that मैंने ऐसा दिमाग में सोच लेता, ऐसा मैंने बिलीफ सिस्टम अपने दिमाग में डाल दिया था कि ऐसी ही होगी लड़की. एंड मैं उसको एक ह्यूमन की तरह नहीं देखता था. मेरा कैसा नेचर है कि मैं काइंड हूँ, मैं गिविंग नेचर है मेरा. बट जब उसको मैं देखता था ना, तो उसके एकदम अपोजिट में चीज़ें करता था. मैं उसको इग्नोर करता था. आई यूज टू इग्नोर हर, आई यूज टू डोंट हेल्प हर. अगर वो मेरे से हेल्प मांगती थी तो मैं लेट जाता था, उसको इग्नोर करता था, उसको एहसास दिलाता था कि भाई मैं मतलब ही हूँ, मेरे को तेरी मदद नहीं करनी है. मैं ऐसा पर्सन बनने की कोशिश करता था, जबकि वो मेरे पर्सनैलिटी की एकदम अगेंस्ट था. दैट वॉज रियली अगेंस्ट माई पर्सनैलिटी. आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ गाय हु डोंट हेल्प, हु इग्नोर्स. I don't like this kind of game. I'm not into this kind of game, that ignoring people, whatever etc shit thing, just internet shit is telling to you, talking to you. I'm not that kind of a guy who ignores. I'm that kind of a guy who helps each and everybody. I'm a kind guy, I'm a giving nature guy. So this is opposite, total opposite of my personality. And from अभी कुछ 3-4 दिन से मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा बकवास फील हो रहा है, इतना ज़्यादा आई एम रियली फीलिंग वियर्ड शिट. I'm really feeling weird. I'm really feeling weird. What the fuck I'm doing, man? Why I'm like this? Why I'm just acting like this clown shit? Okay, why I'm struggling with women a lot? Because this kind of mindset I have. I carry this kind of a shit mindset. But now I decide that I don't care. वॉट एवर द पर्सन इज़. अब मेरे गुरुजी बोलते हैं कि सामने वाला पर्सन कैसा भी हो, बट उसकी वजह से अपना नेचर चेंज मत करो. अगर आपका काइंड नेचर है एंड आपको उसने आपने उसको पैसे दिया और वो पैसे नहीं दे रहा, तो उसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि तुम तुम्हारी पर्सनैलिटी को चेंज कर दो किसी और की वजह से. सो ओके. एंड ये चीज़ मैं अभी अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ कि ठीक है वो लड़की होगी मतलब ही, जाने तो भाड़ में जाए, मेरे को क्या लेना देना, होगी मतलब ही माँ चुदाए. आई एम लाइक कि उसकी वजह से मैं क्यों और लड़की की मदद करने से पीछे हटूँ. उसकी जगह कोई दूसरी लड़की आ जाएगी तो भी वही सेम चीज़ चलेगी. तो वो पर्सन की वजह से मैं क्यों दूसरे की मदद ना करूँ भाई, जबकि वो मेरा नेचर है. सिंपल सी बात है. दैट इज़ माई नेचर. सो नाउ आई डिसाइड आई विल जस्ट एक्ट लाइक अ ह्यूमन. आई विल जस्ट हेल्प लाइक अ ह्यूमन. लाइक आई जस्ट help men out there. I will also help women out there because I am a man, and I will just treat women like a human being, not like a robot or not like a program. That this is the thing that you should ignore a lot, like a distraction को जैसे अपन इग्नोर करते हैं, अपने वो गंदी, पता है वो डिस्ट्रैक्शन अच्छे नहीं होती. डिस्ट्रैक्शन जैसे पॉर्न हब हो गया, ये सब कुछ देखना गंदी बात है, स्मोकिंग ड्रिंकिंग. तो वैसा ना देखूंगा मैं उस लड़की को, ये गंदी चीज़ें, ये नहीं, इससे दूर रहना. नहीं, इसको ह्यूमन की नज़रों से देखूंगा. कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं रखनी, कोई मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं बनने वाली. हम कैसे मर्दों के साथ कैसे बात करते हो, हाउ वी टॉक विद मैन. वी जस्ट लाइक गो टू हिम एंड जस्ट लाइक हेल्प हिम, एंड in return we don't expect anything. We don't expect friendship, we don't expect any relationship, we don't expect any kind of results.